When it comes to home improvement projects, few upgrades offer as many benefits as window installation. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply looking to enhance its functionality and aesthetic appeal, installing new windows in your Laurel home can increase its overall value. Modern windows do more than just improve the appearance of your home. They also provide a range of benefits that boost energy efficiency, security, comfort, and curb appeal, all of which contribute to a higher home value. Here's how window installation in Laurel can increase your home's market value. Boosting curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your windows are one of the most visible features of your home's exterior. Old, outdated, or damaged windows can detract from your home's overall appearance and may even give the impression that the rest of the home is in need of repairs. In contrast, new, energy-efficient windows can significantly improve your home's curb appeal. Whether you opt for sleek modern styles or classic window designs, replacing old windows can refresh the exterior and make your home stand out in your neighborhood. Homebuyers are more likely to be attracted to homes with well-maintained windows, as it shows that the home is well cared for. Investing in professional window installation ensures that the new windows are properly installed, providing a polished, cohesive look to your home's exterior. Enhanced curb appeal can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, often leading to a faster sale at a higher price. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most significant advantages of upgrading to modern windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Old windows, especially those with single panes or deteriorating seals, are notorious for allowing heat transfer. In the winter, warm air escapes from your home, and in the summer, hot air enters. This makes it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder, which translates to higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation features like double or triple glazing, low-E glass, and argon gas fittings. These features help to regulate the temperature inside your home, keeping it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. By reducing the strain on your HVAC system, new windows lower your energy consumption and monthly utility costs, which is a major selling point for potential buyers. In Laurel, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, the added energy efficiency from new windows makes your home more attractive to buyers who are interested in reducing their long-term energy expenses. Homes with energy-efficient upgrades often sell for a higher price, as they promise savings on utilities and greater comfort. Improved security. Windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points into a home. Older windows, especially those with flimsy locks or cracked glass, can easily be forced open by intruders. By installing new windows with advanced security features, you're not only improving the aesthetics of your home but also enhancing its safety. Modern windows are equipped with stronger frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, which make them significantly harder for burglars to break into. These features give buyers peace of mind, knowing that their new home will be safe and secure. Homes with updated security features tend to be more desirable and can command a higher asking price. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to ensure your home is as safe as possible, investing in new windows is a smart decision. Noise reduction. In a bustling area like Laurel, noise can be a major concern for homeowners, particularly those living near busy roads, schools, or commercial areas. Old windows can allow a significant amount of outdoor noise to enter your home, making it harder to relax or concentrate. Modern windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, are designed to reduce noise transfer from the outside. This improvement is especially beneficial if you live in a noisy area. By installing windows that provide better sound insulation, you can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. This is not only beneficial for your day-to-day living but also makes your home more attractive to potential buyers who value privacy and tranquility. Low maintenance and longevity. Another key factor that contributes to your home's value is the maintenance required for its components. Older windows, especially wooden ones, can be prone to rotting, warping, or peeling paint, which require regular maintenance to keep them looking good. In contrast, modern vinyl or fiberglass windows are much more durable and require minimal upkeep. Low-maintenance windows that are resistant to rot, corrosion, and fading are highly desirable for homebuyers who prefer a home that is easy to maintain. With modern windows, you can avoid the hassle of regular painting, sealing, or repairing, giving your home a more polished and well-maintained appearance. This can be a major selling point when it comes time to sell, as potential buyers will appreciate the long-term savings and effort that come with low-maintenance windows. Increased home value. When all the benefits are considered, improved curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, noise reduction, and low maintenance, new windows are a smart investment that can directly increase the market value of your home. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or just want to enhance the long-term value of your property, upgrading your windows offers a return on investment that few other home improvement projects can match. Homes with high-quality, energy-efficient windows are more likely to attract potential buyers, sell faster, and command a higher asking price. In competitive real estate markets like Laurel, where buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer both style and sustainability, new windows can set your property apart from others. Final thoughts. Upgrading your windows in Laurel is an excellent way to enhance your home's value while improving its energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply looking to enjoy the long-term benefits, new windows are a worthwhile investment that offers significant returns. From boosting curb appeal to saving on energy bills, installing modern, energy-efficient windows can make your home more attractive to buyers and increase its market value.